Today, me and my groupmates will be talking about the programming languages in cybersecurity. So the first topic of discussion is the three best programming languages for cybersecurity. We have Python, Java, and SQL. So there's code snippets for each of the respected languages. So for Python, it basically is a demonstration of a simple port scanning technique whereby we attempt to connect to a range of ports on a specific target IP. So why is this relevant to cybersecurity, you may ask? Well, port scanning is one of the first steps in pen testing. It helps identify open ports, also services that are vulnerable. And in terms of real-life examples/usage, Autopsy as well as W3AF is a prime example, as they are both written in Python specifically for pen testing as well as forensic activities or analysis. And then for the Java language, it demonstrates a sequence of hashing, which is SHA-256, a cryptographic hash function widely known. It is relevant to cybersecurity because hashing password represents a crucial aspect of password security. It is basically a term where you would hash your plain text into a hash valued version, making it less susceptible to attacks and also significantly increases security. So a real life example of that is IBM QRadar as well as Apache Matron, where both of them uses Java as their core architecture for secure data analytics as well as log correlation. Last language is SQL. SQL you see here is a SQL query using parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection. So it relates to cybersecurity because SQL injection is one of the most common vulnerabilities in web application. And a real life example of that is obviously WAP's JuShop, which is a common educational tool that shows us the SQL vulnerabilities and how to fix them. Moving on to our next topic of discussion is the three top companies in cybersecurity. I will pass this through my group members. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So for my part, I'll be talking about three big companies in cybersecurity and what I learned from looking at their product and programming languages that they use. The first one is Cisco System. They make tools like Cisco Secure Firewall and Umbrella, which basically protect network and block dangerous websites. These are built with C, C++, and Python. C and C++ make everything run super fast, and Python help with automation. What I learned from Cisco is that good security need both speed and flexibility, not just one or the other. Next is IBM Security with their product QRadar CM. It analyzes huge amount of log to spot attacks, and it built using Java and Python. Java keep the system stable for big company, while Python help with data analysis. What I learned here is that modern cybersecurity is very data-driven and programming plays a huge role. And lastly is Fortinet. Their famous product is the FortiGate next-gen firewall. It uses C, C++, and even assembly, which is super low level because their firewall need to process tons of data really quickly. From Fortinet, I realized how important optimization is. Every millisecond actually matters. Overall, studying this company really showed me how close coding and cybersecurity work together. Different languages solve different problems, and mastering them is key if you wanted to build a strong system in the future. So the next one, I'll be passing this presentation to Shabin.
Thank you, Tia. So I'm going to present three major challenges faced by cybersecurity programmers. So this slide shows that three big challenges cybersecurity program face is first, cyber threat keeps evolving, like the 2023 Exchange Server zero-day attacks. So programmers must constantly update their defense. And second, there is a shortage of secure coding skills, which OWASP still finds common issue, like SQL injection happening every year. And lastly, third, human error in code. Human error in code can lead to major incidents. A good example is the Log4j vulnerability in 2021, which became a worldwide security risk. Next, I will present about three notable cybersecurity awareness programs in school and universities. In this slide, Cyber Patriot in the US encourage students to join cybersecurity competitions. And then Cyber Safe at School by MDEC in Malaysia is used in over 300 Malaysian schools to teach online safety. And lastly, Stop, Think and Connect is a global campaign that has reached more than 500,000 students through workshops. Overall, these programs help build strong cybersecurity awareness from a young age. And that's all from us. Thank you.